Hi everyone, Crafty Crocheter. So hope everyone's day is going well today. So I thought I'd share some news that I saw online the other day regarding the possible future of Joann Fabrics. Many of you may know, Joann Fabrics declared for bankruptcy sometime earlier this year, and then most of their brick and mortar stores went out of business around the end of April and May. And I think some are still open till sometime in June. But they did release some sort of statement on their official website when you go to it. And I'll share the screen of what I saw and then I'll go over what it says. All right, here's what the screen looks like on the official Joann's website. Um, I'll read it to you. It says, "For generations, Joann has been honored to be a part of your creativity, your quilts, costumes, school projects, and handmade moments of love. It has been our joy to serve makers and dreamers across the country. We're stitching something new behind the scenes, and we cannot wait to share what's next. Stay tuned for exciting news about the future of Joann." Yeah, this doesn't sound like a company that's gonna be disappearing off the face of the earth, despite the fact that all the brick and mortar stores went out of business at the end of April and May. So I'm just excited to see what Joann comes up with, and maybe they're gonna bring the stores back, or maybe they're just gonna have a strict online presence. All right, so that was the statement that was released from Joann Fabrics. So tell me what you guys think, what your opinions are, concerns are, questions about what the possible future of Joann's would look like for you. I did see some other creators come out with similar videos about this news update. So what I think is going to happen is they're going to have maybe just an online store presence, just to minimize like overhead costs of brick and mortar locations, or they may have smaller little outlet stores perhaps, but we shall see what happens. So again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, what your opinion is regarding this news update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourself and each other.